Very good morning.
Yandra Vinaka. Sasi kona kosa. Yandra Ben Papa.
Kana ko sa sivia na kosa. Ken mama ko sa ngun na ningola. Sekana chigo na kosa.
Au klaso na ngono sinreda utse sa tanga na kosa. But anyway, my Kelly, family ka may nangono ding-dingi, may kamrin at Yandra Vinaka na leo ni Vanuan sa barang Chico. Revo na kao sabi tumne kem do ni sa bayan na ka sa tugon-tugon na tamata kena era na leo ni Vanuan.
Iya.
Do kunile ka tagon do na ka.
Iya.
Do unding iyaw.
Oi.
Aus namba nunggu namba usaran isule lena era na nangonongo era na politician era ba namba.
Iya.
Ke koreda Dengorio Mr. Benimarama
618.
618.
Naira 688. Iya.
Sige ba kina nongu namba au sidi ba namba au sakere jive Mr. Benimarama don't give me number, I'll just put my phone number. Right gini ya. Kendo text nga mayan nanum do dingin ya. Text may nunggu namba.
Iya.
Iya, kauron ni sule nunggu namba may Kelly.
Iya. Yeah, you must give your number. Berarti kan sa sining doon ano mong jing-jing. See, all the political parties, all the candidates, they have numbers.
9144 Vangaranak kanay mo. If I give my number, I think plenty girls gonna start calling now. But anyway.
So what is your political party?
Michael Kip, I'm still campaigning. Shut up, man. I was telling me, no, don't worry about anything.
Yeah.
People are talking, this gonna close, that gonna close. Nung karon lag may nano. I will tell you what party with me. Nung karon lag may Babu, you should do your shopping rawa-rawa.
Hi?
You should do your shopping now.
You should mo ta kabarahon ko no budi-budi.
Ako baleta. Baleta China dingi supermarket na stock era na somo. Kito na bibenta ng bakin sini Ronnie Boliboli. Ano baleta ko to may na matanggal tala nonggorin ng badilong Aukila nakatugo ng chiko kwa. Nakarongo ng chiko kwa. Kung na may kaili nakandira sa mga ko, kung ni Vambo tindua. Nangonong ko na iro na police, that's their game they're playing. Iro na chiko binoroto na job card number. Na job number na?
Job number.
No card.
The only thing they want is your tick.
They want your tick. Kaya tugo ng chiko. So na pati tugo ng chiko na to sa laki na isaw. Hana? Right back gini lang. $20 hour.
$20 hour. Tata tunga da kakulidin.
So tugo na $10 hour ba yan ha? Ira na ukila, ira na ba business, ira sinra ni di ba ka na business. So they have to send the staff home, na, Michael?
Why?
Because they can't pay. They can't pay their staff. So some business have to close. That's what Karoto gonna chigo. So understand the song in Sinroni Suma. I said, well, you could be true. But you vote for me. My phone number on the day you just text me. Then I go and show this text to the Prime Minister and I stand for whatever. My party, it's called the birthday party. Birthday party.
The birthday party.
Birthday party. Yak na may job na bata na udu na balloon. Kanak keke udu na kanra. Just blow the candle, blow the balloon, eat the cake, party, birthday party ha. Chiko na ningona na kakene baya.
Babu ko sa veteran ko matataro.
Hada baya.
Kemuka ko sa Prime Minister. Prime Minister for like 100 days arim balabo. If you Prime Minister for 10 days, what will you do?
10 days.
10 days. In 10 days, ko sa sworn in, go in the Prime Minister's office. We give you only 10 days. What will you do to the country?
Megeli, metenika au dakaba.
Yeah.
Na supermarket dona singa men dollar fekere free.
That's one. First.
Whatever the bill is, I'll pay the government. The government gonna pay. Make the mathematically my volleyball free.
So that means myself gonna come from Vesi Road, I go into RB, take whatever you want.
Nay, take whatever. You do your shopping. Take away, go to the looting tali. Go to the butago tali.
Yeah. Oi, kung ano mo ko sa tuko na $1 na supermarket.
Go na sulia free food voucher.
Oi.
Everybody.
Oh,
okay. $150, $200. Volleyball. Free electricity. Free Wi.
Happy the last singer.
First day, second day, third day.
First day. First day, Prime Minister Babu Sasuli and a food voucher with total amount $150, $200 to all the people. Go to any supermarket, do the
shopping. According to Nuno Isao, we got Tarachi. Kung ganda na tabata businessmen sa Tarachi, kung doon nandolo, mando na mama, I have to give him $150 voucher kasi nga. Ira na kila Soleilay level on to voucher.
Okay, electricity bill free.
Free
for 1 day.
Nay. For 1 month.
Wait, for 1 month? For 1 month?
Nano mo so nilibiliban lang kumain doon na matawa na?
Yeah.
1 month. Free electricity. 1 month. Na why bida?
Like why maybe $30 to $50?
Nay, free.
Free. Oh, free.
Gono why free. 1 month.
Gono why free. 1 month.
1 month.
Yeah.
Bondo basi free.
Why?
So makedek my government pay.
Yeah. Dapat tali.
Ochi ngaya. Ako na to ngaya nung office kay katimbati do. Yakin kalima na siya nga may makasama so mabara ba.
That's very good, Babu.
Yeah. Ochi nga. Let's tell him na weekend go yaw na sulve na nasi. Especially nasi na.
Yeah.
Meron tutumbo na ke balen nun tayo sao.
Chichi.
May bilang nga nasi nga ochi nga tostumpo.
Nasi tumbo na ke na sao.
Nasi tumbo na ke na sao na dokta na rin ba? Bisa. Ochi nga matigal yung kira na lewan ni mo namin doon at kanay sasamaki. Viti. Operation Sasamaki.
Nakachini ni siga. Ni sa watch ka da mangendo na Operation Sasamaki.
May kito clean man dai Viti.
Sa lebu juga na rubbish.
Sa lebu juga na rubbish. Kon nakakeder to buli na supermarket to nang bading benuda tali. Na red ba niya? Let's clean up Fiji.
Koy ko sa ngula da mi kiro bata ba kiro takata kay saro bilta kay kiro na sau.
Kunileng kaya nunggu trip kiro sa talon na ochi kay au na kochi kembro me kiro ochi na kake ochi na chinne sina ochi na kake ya na kerebe na leo na I am going on a break. The Prime Minister going on an official visit with Michael Irandua and Ben Rabula to the Buckingham Palace to visit Meghan Markle and Prince Harry. Vino vinagaveroto me kota sarando na Tambua. Vinaga for coming to Fiji. Me visa rail Tambua. Kuniko na Tambua to kung mainan na Tambua bang bateria.
Kita to sana mode. Kita to sana when we go to England we sleep in the Buckingham Palace or hotel.
Oy me demre kito na Queen. Doon na po no kita libang ramo di kimare lebu na po no.
Oy.
Lebu na tama-tama na chiko na British sabi sa varong chiko do ngaro do wareki kito. Kita na varula ko no official visit. Au sa ker bekem na British Army ira chiko ibiti ng may vitir varong chiko. Good morning boys. Binabali mo na nakataka ng garabit tabi. Yo when I come I want plenty police motorbike in the front, one Pajero in the back, and Mendola tunga me pas bango me na lewa kevi in a London Bridge. Merto warrekyo merto basa sauta kia.
Ono no momento tu sasar-sar tu na Buckingham Palace. Gaire mo princess andanda buto ko nonolong.
Acha ko ba't na binabalo may kilid? That's my 10 days.
Bakit doon lancho kita to? My 10 days as a Prime Minister of Fiji. You want very good Prime Minister, Babu.
Well, if you want me to be Prime Minister, you vote me birthday party.
birthday party.
Na phone number 9144 pangarana kina.
Na babu va meme, na makai na singani mataka. Veto koni ke Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready?